Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to discuss the long-term targets as well as mid-term targets for the Litecoin against USD as well as Bitcoin. So this is the weekly chart from the Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange. I'm using Poloniex because it has the maximum history. This is the weekly chart, Litecoin USD, and these scribbles I made in the previous videos where I said if we touch this $64 level, we will correct, we'll go down. We went down, we touched $40, and then we started a new wave. So in the previous wave, we went from $40 to $62, then we corrected again, went to $40, and then we are up. And today we nearly touched $108 on Poloniex cryptocurrency exchange. Litecoin is looking very bullish. So what are the levels to look out for? So in the previous videos I mentioned if we are able to close above $62, in no time we will reach $90, and we did. Now we must stay above this $90. We must close above this $90 before the end of this week to stay bullish, and I think we will, because you see this red cloud here, this is the Ichimoku cloud, and this acts as resistance, and we have been able to close above this resistance. So we have support at $76, very good support, and which we touched earlier this week. So we have been able to close above this, and now we have touched $108 here. What are the next levels to look out for? Let me draw Fibonacci here. So from the top of previous cycle to bottom of this cycle. Oopsie, I think I'm drawing it a little bit wrong. So this was the top. Let us arrange it accordingly. So this gives us the levels, and the next level to look out for is $113, and you can already see we are facing some resistance here. After 113, the next level to look out for is $136, $160, and this level, which I've already mentioned in the previous video, the major resistance is at $190. So at $190 you would want to take some profits, and you can also play with the levels. After 190, 236, and then the previous all-time high of $350-ish. And if we are able to cross this, and these are, by the way, long-term targets. I'm not saying the Litecoin is going to touch any of these targets in this cycle, but I'm pretty sure we will touch at least 135 and 160 in this very cycle. And if we are able to close above the previous all-time high, which is $360, the next major resistance is at $547, then at $735. So you have your hopium ready. After $735, $860, and I can go up forever. This is what the Fibonacci is telling me, and interestingly, the Fibonacci is also telling me to take profits at around $190. So don't marry your bags, have a plan, and then execute it. The previous all-time high is at around $388, and you can see that even in the previous cycle, we didn't touch it in one straight arrow. Once we pumped, then we accumulated for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, and then we started again pumping. Then we accumulated for at least 8 weeks. Then we again accumulated, and then we accumulated for like 6, 7 weeks, and then we pumped up. So nothing goes up in a straight line, nothing goes down in a straight line. We corrected for almost for a year, where we went from $370 to just $21 in 2018, December 2018. So corrections can be harsh. That is why you should never marry your bags. And I think we are here for a good run. The bottom was at $38, and I think we will at least touch $135, $160 in this bull run. It will be great if we can touch 194, but if we can, once we touch the $190, I think there will be a good correction, or we will at least accumulate. I would want Litecoin to accumulate between the $190 and $124 for at least 4 or 5 weeks before moving to the upside. We need to have good base, we need to have good support before we move up. And let's take a look at a Litecoin BTC pair real quick. Litecoin BTC, again, this is not from Poloniex, this is from the Coinbase. Okay, so I drew this earlier today, where I started a bag at 0.004 sats, and I believe that in this very cycle we will at least touch 0.007. So that's my target for this cycle. We may go up. I think Litecoin definitely has the potential to go up. People can buy Litecoin from a lot of on a lot of exchanges like Coinbase, Kraken, and so on. I mean, it's the most popular coin after Ethereum and Bitcoin. It's available practically everywhere. So a lot of people can chime in and become part of the Litecoin revolution. They can help you buy your bags. I'm just being truthful here. So why I think that 0.007 would be the resistance level here. You see, this has been the support level and this was support level in 2017, then in 2018, which we broke in 2019. So this has become resistance. It became resistance here, here, and here as well in 2020, earlier 2020. So this is going to definitely act as resistance, and we may not break it in one go. If we are able to break up, if you're able to close above it, I'm not saying touch or touch 0.01 sats and then come down to maybe like 0.005. All I'm saying is we must close above this very level to stay bullish, and I don't think it is possible in one go. So the levels to look out for are 0.004, after that 0.005, heavy resistance at 0.0072, then 0.0079, and then not much resistance between here till 0.011. So those are my targets, midterm targets for this and probably next cycle of Litecoin against Bitcoin pair. So that's all about it. Hope you like this video. Give this video a like. That's all I need from you guys. And stay subscribed for more cryptocurrency, IC news, and price analysis. Bye-bye.